Hi all, I'm Shilpa. In this video I am talking about IoT enabling technologies. IoT is enabled by several technologies including wireless sensor networks, embedded system, communication protocols, cloud computing, big data analytics. Here I am giving an overview of these technologies which play a key role in IoT. Wireless sensor networks. It consists of a number of end nodes and routers and a coordinator. End nodes have several sensors attached to them. In node can also act as routers. Routers are responsible for routing the data packets from end nodes to the coordinator. Coordinator collects the data from all the nodes and acts as a gateway that connects the wireless sensor networks to the internet. Let's see some examples of wireless sensor networks used in IoT system. Weather monitoring system. A use in which the nodes collect temperature, humidity and other data which is aggregated and analyzed. Indoor air quality monitoring system used to collect data on the indoor air quality and concentration of various gases. Soil moisture monitoring system used to monitor soil moisture at various locations. Surveillance system for collecting surveillance data. Smart grid for monitoring grid at various points. Structural health monitoring system monitor the health of structures by collecting vibration data from sensor nodes. Cloud computing. It is a transformative computing paradigm that involves delivering applications and services over the internet. Cloud computing, which involves provisioning of computing, networking, storage resources on demand and providing these resources as metered services to the users in a pay-as-you-go model. Mainly, it can be accessed over the network using standard access mechanism that provide platform independent access through the use of client platforms such as workstations, laptops, tablets and smartphones. Cloud computing services are offered to users in different forms. SaaS, software as a service. An application layer is provided here and managed for you. Platform as a service. In addition to the hardware, your operating system layer is managed for you. That is platform as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Here hardware is provided by an external provider and managed for you. Next, big data analytics. It is a process of collecting, organizing and analyzing large set of data that is called big data to discover patterns and other useful information. Big data analytics can help organization to better understanding of information contained within the data and also helps identify the data that is most important to the business and also future business decisions. Let's see some examples of big data generated by IoT systems. sensor data generated by IoT systems such as weather monitoring stations, machine sensor data collected from sensors embedded in industrial and energy systems for monitoring their health and detecting failures. Health and fitness data generated by IoT devices such as wearable fitness band. Data generated by IoT systems for location and tracking of vehicles. Data generated by retail inventory monitoring system. Characteristics of big data. It can simply said as 4V. Volume, variety, velocity, veracity. Volume says the quantity of generated and stored data. Size of the data determines the value and potential insight and whether it can be considered big data or not. Variety says the type and nature of the data. This helps people who analyze it to effectively use the resulting insight. Big data draws from text, images, audio, video, plus it completes missing pieces through data fusion. Velocity. In this context, the speed at which the data is generated and processed to meet the demands and challenges that lie in the path of growth and development. Big data is often available in real time. Compared to small data, big data are produced more continually. Two kinds of velocity related to big data are the frequency of generation and the frequency of handling, recording and publishing. Veracity, it is the extended definition for big data, which refers to the data quality and the data value. The data quality of captured data can vary greatly, affecting the accurate analysis. Communication protocols form the backbone of IoT system and enable network connectivity and coupling to applications. Communication protocols allows devices to exchange data over the network. Internet communication protocols. A group of protocols designed to work together are known as protocol suite, which implemented in software they are a protocol stack, and internet communication protocols are published by the Internet Engineering Task Force IETF. The IEEE handles wired and wireless networking, and the International Organization for Standardization ISO handles other types. Embedded systems, as the name suggests, embedded means something that is attracted to another thing. Embedded system can be thought of as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. It can be an independent system or it can be a part of a large system. It is a controller programmed and controlled by a RTOS, real-time operating system, with a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system, often with real-time computing constraints. It is embedded as part of a complete device, often including hardware and mechanical parts. Embedded systems controls many devices in common use today. 98% of all microprocessors are manufactured to serve as embedded system component. Embedded system has three components. It has hardware and it has application software and it has real-time operating system that supervises the application software and provide mechanism to let the processor run a process as per scheduling by following a plan to control the latencies. Real-time operating system defines the way the system works. It sets the rules during the execution of application program. A small-scale embedded system may not have real-time operating system. So these are some IoT enabling technologies. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and support me.